guys, what is going on? Welcome back. It is first thing Saturday morning. We are off. We are headed off to our first ever streetcar takeover event in Bowling Green Beach Bend Raceway. We already have the drag racing wheels and tires popped on here. We've been driving around on them for, well, a little bit last night, having some fun. But anyway, we are off to the track today. Dooley and the trailer are already there. I'm really looking forward to this event. This is pretty much going to be the last drag racing event before the 05 gets some major changes. Also very excited because we do not need to run an index class. We can run this thing as fast as it possibly can. So hopefully maybe we'll have some new personal bests, but we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna race the truck class and maybe do some roll racing, but we're gonna see how the day goes. So sit back, relax.
Here before? Hopefully we got some people, yeah.
Alrighty guys, we are all set. We are ready to go. We signed up for the 140 mile an hour roll racing class as well as the truck drag racing class. So we're gonna be racing two different classes today. We're gonna be racing the roll racing class first. So we're gonna do one test and tune pass first, just to see what kind of mile an hour we're at. We got Reagan, we got Allie, we got Michael. Alrighty guys, we are in line for the first test pass of roll racing. This should be interesting. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna have the old paddles here help us out. So we're gonna have it in manual mode, and then we start at about 40 miles an hour. So I'm gonna leave it in about second gear. It's gonna be pretty high RPM in second gear, and then we're gonna shift the last couple gears there with the paddle shifter. So leaving it in auto mode, I think probably won't work very well trying to get up on boost and stuff. So we're gonna try and leave it in paddle mode for roll racing and just have some fun. I'm sure there's plenty of other faster cars here, but I believe we're probably one of the only full-size trucks roll racing. I think we're gonna have some more full-size trucks in the drag racing part, but for roll racing, I think we're the only truck. Alrighty guys, so after two test passes, they're actually already calling us up for the 140 mile an hour class. So you want to go as close to 140 and as fast as you can, beating the guy next to you, but you cannot go over 140. So we are a couple mile an hour off of that. First one was 132, second one was 131. I think I hung out second gear in that pass, but we did beat both of the cars next to us, but we'll see what happens in elimination. So what we're doing now is we're gonna go run up and then we'll start, these will be elimination rounds. So that's the next pass.
so we got the crew here. We got Patrick, we got Junior, Mello, yeah. We just getting done with some roll racing. Greg advances to the second round with a 132 trap speed. Elizabeth lost running a 132 to a Charger that went 138. And then Ryan in the Track Hawk is going to round 2 with a 138 as well, so stay tuned.
All right, guys, round 2 of eliminations. Oh, hi, Michael. What are you doing, Michael? We fixing things? Going faster? Well, second round, cars are getting faster. The Lamborghini might come to its demise this round, but we will see.
Cars line up in the same lanes we're in now. Ready?
Well, that's what
Round back.
John said.
Looking good. Track Hawk's on the next round. Woo! We got this. No boost. Spool up? I don't know. Alright, so that was terrible. A little recap. We're still in with the Track Hawk. Greg didn't get any boost. No boost. No boost.
Bring that thing over here.
All right.
I'm not mad that I lost. I'm mad that it was a poor performance on my part.
Yeah, you had a poor performance, but did you know what you did? You were lugging her down.
Yeah, it's too lug. Not enough boost.
Yeah.
Slow, sloppy.
Maybe next time.
Everything that diesels are.
Maybe we can get some practice in tonight on Mexico, you know?
Yeah, Mexico test runs are definitely necessary
Yeah,
for next
some 40 rolls.
Yeah, 40 rolls.
We'll get her done. You need to wind those gears out, get some boost, and then
yeah.
I think you're outmatched a little bit. He went 138.
Look at this. This is why 138, 139.8. He was close to breaking out.
He's the man.
He wouldn't have been the man if he broke out, and he would have lost to a truck. But
yeah, but he didn't because he's the man.
He didn't, and I lost, and I will take that. I'm a little bit upset that my first 2 practice runs, the starts were much better. But
yep.
All right, on to drag racing.
We got drag racing. We got small tire action. We got diesel truck action. It's gonna be a good night.
Hell
Track
yeah.
Hawk is still in it.
Track Hawk is in it to win it.
But as of right now, bye-bye, Greg. You're out. Roll racing.
Fair paw. See ya. Alrighty, guys. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying Chase's commentary while I've been running around doing all of the roll racing stuff. It is currently 6:40. They are still actually running test and tune. We did not actually make any test drag passes in the 05. We are currently just kind of waiting for the first round of eliminations in the street class. Hey, Ray, you coming to say hi? Coming to say hi? How we doing? How we doing? All right, so that is the deal currently right now, just waiting for the first round of eliminations. For the truck class, I believe there's only 8 trucks in there. Some pretty fast ones, some fast gas stuff, but that's the gist. We will see what we got left in it. Brett and Greg, round 1. Greg in the left, Brett in the right. What'd you get? Brett. Silver truck. Silver coming. Some KINGSPEED on KINGSPEED diesel action. right, guys, so just wrapping up this video. I'm just kind of finishing up editing now. I didn't get a chance to kind of wrap it up at the track, so we're sitting in the new office for me and Allie. But man, I'm just we had such a great time at Streetcar Takeover. There's a lot more footage. You want to be in here? Come here. Come on. We're outroing the video. We gotta look at the camera though. All right, so there's a ton more footage of all of the KINGSPEED footage on the KINGSPEED Race and Repair YouTube video. We're really starting to get cranked up with the videos on there. I have a lot of editing to do for 2 or 3 videos that we have. One for Streetcar Takeover for all of the KINGSPEED stuff. A lot of really cool fast stuff there. So make sure you guys go follow them. But as far as the conclusion for Streetcar Takeover for myself, just a really awesome event. I really like the atmosphere. The roll racing was really fun. Still trying to kind of learn on how to get a diesel on boost at 40 miles an hour. I mean, so it's a learning curve, but it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. I think we'll do it more. I think we're not that far off from a 140 mile an hour truck the way it sits now, but we're going to be changing a lot. This is pretty much, like I said, you looking? We're going to be pulling the engine out. The Freedom Racing Engines Street Stage 2 6.7 engine that's in there now is doing phenomenal. 100% over injectors. Like the guys at S&S, like they are... Anyone that wants fuel system stuff, we use S&S. I support S&S fully. They got their stuff together. 100% over injectors going, and you can see it's lightening out. Going at high possible 10.3, 10.41. So the fastest pass in the 05 with this engine setup, which is 100% over injectors, 2 stock pumps. We had a 76 millimeter charger on there right now, full 6.7 engine, Suncoast Muldoon's transmission with the paddle shifters. Paddle shifters helped out really well in the roll racing. Paddle shifted in roll racing and left it in auto. Of course, Jackson's barking because of the thing, but right here, 10. We lost in the drag racing. We lost to Brett. Congrats to him. Races are won and lost off the line, and we had a slower reaction time and a slower 60 foot than we normally have. But it doesn't matter. A loss is a loss. I lost. So congratulations to Brett. But I did out, let me see if this will focus here. I did out mile an hour and ET him. But again, races are won and lost off the start line. The tires were extremely wet. I left with way too much boost. I think we were in the 20... What? Oh, what are you doing with this, by the way? I'm getting yelled at. We're not supposed to have that in baby's mouth. So, anyway, the tires are wet. Sloppy start. Sloppy 60 foot. I have a picture that I'll probably put up on the screen. Our best 60 foot was a 141, the way the truck sits exactly right now. If we were to have that same 60 foot with the way the truck was running that night, all right, you're getting down. Where's Mom? Go find Mom. Yeah, the truck can definitely go, I would think, a high 1030, but 1041 on 100% overs, I'm not unhappy. It was a great day. It was a great race. Super excited for all of the stuff to come. We got another Freedom Racing engines to pop in this thing, bigger S&S fuel, and we're gonna make some more power. We're gonna go quite a bit faster. So, but that is pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Again, guys, hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll go over to the KINGSPEED Race and Repair channel. We are gonna get back into the swing of things and start having a lot of fun because, man, a lot of good things to come. So that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys soon.